Today we're diving into the iconic world of muscle cars, and our spotlight is on none other than the legendary 1968 Dodge Coronet. Cut to various shots of the exterior of the 1968 Dodge Coronet, highlighting its sleek design and powerful presence. Introduced during the golden era of American muscle cars, the '68 Dodge Coronet is a symbol of power, performance, and unmistakable style. Its aggressive lines and bold grille demand attention. Pop the hood, and you'll find a range of powerful engine options, including the famous 426 Hemi. With its V8 roar and impressive horsepower, the Coronet was built for speed and dominated both the street and the drag strip. It's not just a car, it's a statement of American muscle supremacy. Cut to footage of the interior, showcasing the vintage dashboard and comfortable seats. Step inside, and you're greeted by a classic interior that perfectly captures the spirit of the '60s. The attention to detail, from the retro dashboard to the comfortable seats, makes every drive a nostalgic journey back in time. Back in 1968, the Coronet was turning heads on the streets and winning races on the track. Its success wasn't just about speed, it was a symbol of American craftsmanship and automotive innovation. No wonder it's a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.